Hello everybody, welcome back to Acre of Love Homestead. I want to do a couple of updates about some things that are happening around the homestead. Let's start over here. Well, I'm going to go show you all the chickens. And because we got all the chickens kind of caught, I'm still missing like 3 or 4 to be able to put over here in this area. And then the pigs are still doing good, no babies yet. If, you know, I keep saying they're pregnant, we'll see. But here we are. So, if you're, oh yeah, we still have a little bit of work to do on this. I bought a storage, cabinet, I guess you could say. I'm going to hopefully put that together tomorrow, and we're going to attach it to this, to this frame here. I'll probably do it in the back. I'll have to scoot that a little forward. We'll probably put that in the back. That way they can have a house for the winter to go in and out of. And I can also put some nesting boxes in there too, which is great. I did get 2 eggs from here, and I got, is that a normal egg? No. And then I got 3 eggs from the chickens that are out. So, yeah. We got a couple of new roosters and they're chasing them everywhere. But the girls are doing good. I made them a new feeder. So what I did was I cut these 55-gallon barrels that I had in half a while back, and I made these guys a feeder. So I cut them in half and I put 2 pieces of rebar down in there, and I hammered it into the ground. That way they're not eating off of the ground, and also that way they're not wasting any food either. So yeah, they ate earlier and did very well. See, that's a hen I still got to catch. But yeah, lots of things have been going on around here lately. So we'll see. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. If you're not new here, welcome back. So we have a lot of stuff going on out here. Stop rubbing on that, you goofball. Todd don't like when they do that. So I'm still burning. Well, not burning. We've been on our burn ban again. So I need to still get the rake and rake some of this stuff up. We got the 3 cages moved. Excuse me. So we got the 3 cages moved. I'm going to be getting some heavy-duty tarps to go over each one, because I want to start, like I say, I want to start raising the Cornish cross or the red broilers. That way we can start, you know, raising our own chicken instead of just waiting for the roosters. And we'll see how it works. I've tried this before. It didn't work for me before, but I must have been doing something wrong. So now that I've done a little bit of research, we'll see if it works. So we got those moved, and the boys got a new pen. So they got a new buck pen. Huh. So we got a new buck pen. Yep. So I got some of the panels that I had in my garden in the front, and we put a whole fence right here just for them. And their house is going to be here. I got to go buy the stuff for a roof. So I got to buy the stuff for a roof and get everything secure and ready for the winter. These 3 males, like I said, they'll be getting banned, and they are going to be, you know, freezer bound. That's what happens around here. And then we'll just keep Mr. Thor here. And then I think I might get a bigger Nigerian male. Not sure yet. We'll see how everything does. But so they got them a new buck pen, because my plan out here, excuse me, is to let this grass, after I get everything kind of cleaned up and burned and stuff, is to let the grass grow. And once that grass grows up, then maybe I can let the cows over here, let the goats over here until, you know, until next year, until we do a garden again. Because I don't think I'm going to be doing a fall garden this year. I do want to plant some carrots in the front and maybe about 4 raised beds in the front. So that's what I kind of want to do over there. Nothing really changed over here with the cows. Melissa, I'm pretty sure she got bred. The other day she came back into heat from the last time, so I'm pretty sure she's bred. I hope. We'll see. We'll see what happens. What I want to try to do is, ew, there's a big old fly on him. What I want to try to do is wait about 90 days and then see if I can rent a trailer and try to get them in a trailer somewhere you know, kind of put them in a pen and then get them loaded into a trailer so I can take them to, that's actually not flies, that's a mosquito. But anyways, I want to take them to the vet to get them their hooves trimmed and all that good stuff. Huh, Sadie? Yeah, she's mad because I won't feed her pellets again. I'm not gonna feed you pellets all the time. Whoa! I am still keeping this right here locked, just in case if those boys escape. Todd, you're fixing to get locked in. Come on. Come on, Todd. Hurry. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Good boy. He does not like being locked in, I can tell you that. But I do want to show y'all a little experiment that I'm doing. But first, let's talk about the rabbits. So I had 2 rabbits. I had put them in with a male, but I honestly did not think that they took. You know, it was cool whenever I did it. So, I didn't really think that they took. I guess they did. And we had an incident happen. So, this mommy right here, she ended up having 6 babies. Okay? They all died. The ants got them. They all died. For whatever reason. Or not for whatever reason. The ants got them. And then, I'm going to show you these babies. Aren't they the cutest babies ever? Cute babies. You got fat bellies too. You got big fat bellies. Yeah, you got big fat bellies. Yes, you do. So she's actually... Okay, well, let me finish the story. That way we don't get off track. So her babies died. Okay? Ants got them, they died. Then we have another rabbit, who is this rabbit over here. You're sleeping? This rabbit here, she was too hot out here. So my husband put her in the back house where the AC is. Okay, no big deal. The other day I went out there or I went back here in this building and I heard, and I thought, oh, there's a rat or something back here. I looked down on the ground and there's a baby bunny. So I'm thinking, well, where'd this baby bunny? You know, there's only one rabbit back here. I didn't think she had took with a male. Well, needless to say, there were 4 of them on the ground walking around. So I picked them up. I put them in here in this nesting box. I moved her over here, put in this nesting box with her. And she's been taking care of them ever since. So she got her 4 little babies. So hopefully, you know, God willing, she'll raise them good. I mean, clearly they all got full bellies now. But hopefully, you know, everything will be okay now. So I did actually put a few rabbits in with the males. So she should be bred. She'll be bred again. She's bred again. And then she should be bred. The only one I didn't put was this one, the little gray one, in this one. And then clearly the mommy that has the babies in with the males. So hopefully in a month we'll have some more babies. What's what, 30, 31 days? So hopefully we'll have some more baby rabbits. Because next month will be September, so it should be cooler. So we should be in good shape. I just got to buy some more nesting boxes because I think I only have 2. I think I only have 2 at the moment, but I need to buy at least 3 more. But I don't want to show you an experiment that I'm trying to do. I don't know if it's going to work. It's probably not going to work, but I wanted to try it anyways. So you know how my garden is, you know, it's gone. You know, there's nothing worth keeping out there anymore. I need to actually pull all that stuff and start, you know, filling it with the rabbit manure and getting my dirt and all that stuff because I want to let it rest. Except for probably 4 beds. I'm going to plant carrots in the 4 beds. That's what I'm hoping. Now then this year, I think too, I'm going to get some garlic. I think I'm going to plant some garlic also. But right here, guys, this has been empty for a while. So what I did was, I didn't mean to overfill it. I just had it maybe like a quarter full or something. But I actually didn't lift the water hose on and it, you know, filled it all the way up. It should be fine, whatever. The bees are loving it. Check out the bees. Bees are loving that. But what I did is I took some of the plants that are over there in the garden and I stuck them down in here. Now, some of them have come back. Some of them have not. And it could be because of the fact that I overfilled it. But the bees are absolutely loving this. Like that plant right there, it came back. That one was trying to come back. For whatever reason, it's not doing it now. But I don't know, we'll see what happens. This will eventually go down because of the heat, and I'm fine with that because I really didn't mean to fill it up that much. My banana tree, and then my other banana tree. And honestly, I would like to get some fish and put some goldfish down in there. I might go to PetSmart actually tomorrow and get some goldfish to put down in there. Just so we can have, I'm trying to make, I would really like to have some tilapia in there, to be honest with you. So if I could find like some baby tilapias and like grow them, make sure this is how it's supposed to be, that would be great. I'm looking for other ways to have like different food on the homestead, because you never know what's going to happen, to be honest. I am going to get a couple of rain barrels. I have one, I just need to fix it. And I want to put them on the back house in the back because it has a metal roof. And I can collect that rainwater from that metal roof. See, my other roof, it has shingles, and I can't do it off of that one. And I can't do it off of this one, off of the building here, because it has no gutters. So until I get gutters there, I won't be able to collect. But it would be nice to, you know, have at least 2 here, maybe 1 on that corner over there, and then 2 here, and then 2 in the back on this, just to collect some water. Because with these data centers going in, I don't know what's going to happen. I just wanted to kind of bring you guys along. It's going to be a short video because I've been busy all day. My hair's a mess. I still have to take a shower. But homesteading, like I say, is not easy. It's been so hot here lately. It was 90 degrees earlier. They said it felt like 101. I believe it. I really believe it. But yep, and that's kind of what's happening around the homestead now. I want to show y'all this pretty little bunny. She's a pretty bunny. She is a Tamuk bunny. And she's a pretty bunny. I'm hoping that I can get her bred. I'm gonna wait maybe a little bit longer, just to see. Because he's a Tamuk male too. My other Tamuk female passed away, so I need to get one more Tamuk. Hi. Yeah, she's not really the friendly one. They got their water bottles. I'm fixing to pull the water bottles. Now we're going to put those in the freezer for tomorrow. I am slowly getting my brooder ready, because this is where the Cornish chicks are going to go. They're going to go down in here. I'm going to get some more shavings and put in there. Maybe another light. Not sure if I'm going to do 2 lights, because this thing stays pretty warm. So yeah. No, there's Todd. He's not groomed. He hasn't gone to go see his other family yet. Todd, say hello. You a good boy? You were out roaming earlier, weren't you? Huh? He roams, and then for some reason he'll come back and he'll look groomed. So I don't know if he has like another family somewhere. He's a good boy. And then I want to show you, I've been kind of picking up on my back porch. So I'm trying to get my porch ready for the winter. I want to buy one of those little chimney fireplaces to put out here. I finally got that freezer pushed back, but I got my rug out here, and then I have my drying rack here. And I did put some plants here. I'm trying to see if I can get them to come back. That one down there probably won't come back, but this one maybe. This one looks like it's doing better. This one, we'll see. But that's kind of what's, happening on the back porch right now. Like I say, we just have I got a lot of randomness going on at the moment. I'm trying to get stuff done just in case if I do have the surgery on my foot. Right now, I don't know how much the facility is going to be. I know how much the doctor is, but I don't know how much the facility, excuse me, let me turn y'all around. I don't know how much the facility is actually going to cost me. So, worst case scenario, I have to put it off until next year when I get some of my credit cards, paid down. Because technically, I'm still in debt from 2020 and 2021 from COVID. So, yeah, that's been kicking my butt. And we're slowly trying to pay that off. But with me not getting that many hours, it's kind of hard to do. I'm not complaining. I like being home. This is what I like doing. This right here is what I want to be doing. And eventually I will get to that goal. Oh, but anyways, guys, that's kind of what we're doing. I did go to farmer's market the other day, and I got some corn, and I need to shuck that corn. And then I got some more carrots, and I'm going to can some more of those carrots. And then I think I'm going to chop the other bag up, and I'm going to freeze them. So like I say, there's always something going on around this homestead, always. And you know, it's fun. You gotta want to live the way we live. If you don't, you ain't gonna make it. Guys, I'm gonna let y'all go. I'm gonna end it here, and we'll see y'all in the next one. And God bless. Todd, you gonna say bye? Say bye. He's like, it's too hot for this. Huh. Such a pretty face.